Most revered Vice President of the Ramakrishna Math and Ramakrishna Mission, His Holiness Srimad Swami Smarananandaji Maharaj, revered Secretary of the Ramakrishna Mission Institute of Culture, revered Swami Suparnanandaji Maharaj, most revered monks of the Ramakrishna Order, the two personalities for whom we have gathered here today, recipient of the Vivekananda Award and the Vivekananda Medal, Dr. Narendra Kohli and Mrs. Meena Das, Secretary of Nishtha, respectively. The Vice President of the Managing Committee of the Institute, Dr. Arun Kumar Sharma. Ladies and gentlemen, dear friends, it gives me great pleasure to welcome all of you to this very important function of the Institute. A very hearty good evening and welcome to you. The Vivekananda Award and the Vivekananda Medal will be given out through the holy hands of Srimad Swami Smarananandaji Maharaj this evening. We shall talk about the award and the medal later, but at the outset may I request the monastic members of this institute to set the ball rolling for this evening through their invocation, please.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Shahana Bhavatu Shahano Bhunaktu Shahabijam Karavahai Tejasvinavadhetamastu ma vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Sham no mitra sham varunah sham no bhavartaryama sham no indro bihashpatihi sham no vishnurukramah. Namo brahmane namaste vayo tameva pratyaksham brahmashi. Tvameva pratyaksham brahma vadishyami, ritam vadishyami, shatyam vadishyami, tanmamavatu, tadbhaktaramavatu, avatu mam, avatu bhaktaram. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Bhadram karne vishiluyama deva bhadram prakshe makshabhiryayatra sthirairangaye sustubhagam shastanubhe vashema deva hitayadayo shasti na indro viddashavaha shasti na pusha vishvaveda shasti na saksha arikshanemi shasti no brihaspatir dadatu. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Tashat. Shri Ramakrishna Arpanamastu.
Our gratitude to the monastic members of the Institute for invoking the evening for us in such a befitting manner. May I request Swami Suparnanandaji, Secretary of the Institute of Culture, for his words of welcome, please.
Om Janani Sharadam Devi Ramakrishnam Jagat Guru Pada Padmitayo Sritva Pranamami. Om. We are extremely fortunate that His Holiness Srimad Swami Smaranandaji Maharaj, one of the Vice Presidents of the Ramakrishna Math and Ramakrishna Mission, has agreed to be present here and give away the award and the medal to the recipients. As I have gathered from my senior Swamijis, that this is the most important activity of not only the one of the main important activities, the most important activity of the institute. This presentation of the Vivekananda Award and Vivekananda Medal. So the Vivekananda Award is given to the writer on Swamiji, considered all over the world. It is a Herculean task for us to select such a figure. And we feel glad that this year Dr. Narendra Kohli is going to receive this most prestigious award. He is from Delhi. He has written several books on Indian epic characters. And of course, his outstanding book on Toro, Kala Toro, has been adjudged the best contribution this year. About this Toro, Kala Toro, I asked the writer that what prompted you to write this book and give this name. Is it from Tagore's Nirjharet Swapnabhanga? That bhang 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 kara aghate aghat kar, ore ki gan geyeche pakhi eseche robir kar. He exactly corroborated. That is the idea. We are all imprisoned. Nirgachati jagat jalat pinjaraj vokeshari. That is a very famous half of this sloka, where it is said that we have to come out of this net of jagat, samsar, like the great lion who comes out of the cage. We have to see the sunlight. Bhang 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 kara. Break open the prison and see the light of the day. So that is what is all about the book. It is published in 6 volumes. And he has 100 titles to his credit. And recently he has written one book, he brought it along, No Bhuto No Bhavishyati. So this is a voluminous book he has been writing, much to our joy. And people say, the readers, they say that, so these books are sold like hotcakes in Delhi. So I welcome Dr. Kohli in our midst this afternoon. I offer my respectful pranams to Revered Maharaj. I welcome Miss Kumari Meena Das, She is the secretary of NISTA, an organization entirely for women. She has been guiding this organization located at Baripur, and the major campus is on the roadside of Amtola. It is between Baripur and Amtola. So on 3 acres of land. And the beauty of this organization is that it is based on families. It covers more than 300 villages. It works with a 4-tier pyramidal structure of girls and women, namely Balok, Balika Bahini, Kishori Bahini, Mahila Mandal, and groups of senior women. And more than 30,000 women and girls and kishors, boys, small boys, they are the beneficiaries. So I welcome Ms. Sinha in our midst, Ms. Das, Meena Das in our midst. I welcome Professor A.K. Sharma. He is the president of today's meeting. And he is actually a great scientist of our country and the vice president of our managing committee. He is a man of erudition, a man of beautiful speeches. We all respect him. I pay my homage to this great son of India. And we have so many sadhus. I must specially mention Srimad Swami Sarvabhutanandaji, who is just my predecessor, and he has made our selection of the writer, Vivekananda Award, recipient of Vivekananda Award, simpler. So my special gratitude to him. I welcome the Swamis present here and the guests and the members of NISTA and personal friends of Dr. Kohli. With these few words, I once again offer my respectful pranams to revered Maharaj and love and best wishes to all of you. Thanks.
Thank you very much, Revered Swami Suparnanandaji Maharaj. We shall now felicitate our guests on the dais. We request the Secretary of the Institute, Swami Suparnanandaji, to do the honors for us. First, we shall greet the lady. We shall greet the lady, Srimati Meena Das, Secretary. Okay. Srimad Swami Smarnanandaji Maharaj. Maharaj paying his obeisance at the feet of Vice President Maharaj. We shall greet Meena Das, Secretary of Nishtha, who will receive shortly the Vivekananda medal. And now we shall greet Narendra Kohli, who would receive the Vivekananda Award in a short while from now. Dr. Arup Sharma, Vice President of the Managing Committee and the President of today's meeting. Friends, we shall now go straight away to the presentation of the Vivekananda Award and the Vivekananda Medal. We shall start with the Vivekananda Vivekananda Award. As Maharaj has just told you, that the recipient of the Vivekananda Award 2014 is Dr. Narendra Kohli. Here a word or two about Dr. Kohli. Dr. Narendra Kohli is an outstanding literature in the world of Hindi literature, having an easy access to its different branches. Born on the 6th of January 1940 in Sialkot of West Punjab, which now falls in Pakistan, Narendra Kohli completed his MA from the University of Delhi and also received the PhD from the same university. As a lecturer in Hindi, Dr. Kohli served with distinction the Motilal Nehru College till his voluntary retirement on the 1st of November 1995. A much acclaimed writer, Dr. Kohli has always sought out the roots of Indianness. Since his early days, this great man of letters has been deriving inspiration in this regard from Swami Vivekananda, who once said in a prophetic mood, "I am the condensed India." As a novelist, Dr. Kohli felt a great urge for a novel on Swamiji over and above multiple authentic biographies. The 6-volume appealing novel based on the life and teachings of the salt of the earth is Toro Gara Toro. This is indeed a pleasant surprise for the readers, by and large, particularly in the domain of Hindi literature. Dr. Kohli has already written 100 literary pieces, including novels, short novels, plays, and short stories. That was the brief about Dr. Narendra Kohli, and I have pleasure in reading out the citation for the Vivekananda Award, which would be shortly presented to him. The Ramakrishna Mission Institute of Culture, Golpart, Kolkata. Presentation of the Vivekananda Award to Dr. Narendra Kohli by Srimad Swami Smarananandaji Maharaj, Vice President Ramakrishna Math and Ramakrishna Mission, Belur Math. The citation. The Ramakrishna Mission Institute of Culture has the honor to present the Vivekananda Award 2014 to Dr. Narendra Kohli on this 10th day of March of the year 2014 for his outstanding contributions in the studies and research on Swami Vivekananda. Born in January 6, 1940 in Sialkot, West Punjab, now in Pakistan, Dr. Narendra Kohli graduated from the Jamshedpur Co-operative College and in 1963 completed his MA in Hindi at Ramjas College under the University of Delhi. In the year 1970, a PhD degree from the same university was conferred upon him. Dr. Kohli retired in 1995 from the Motilal Nehru College. Toro Kara Toro is a 6-volume novel based on the life and teachings of Swami Vivekananda. Dr. Narendra Kohli has been keen on the studies in Swamiji since his early days. Perhaps those who revere Swami Vivekananda but lack ability or the inclination to read, understand and absorb the innumerable biographies and philosophical articles acutely felt the need for such a novel. We have gathered that the consummate artistry with which the author has identified the central character of this arresting novel has indeed come as a pleasant surprise for the readers of Toro Kara Toro. This novel in Hindi is a timely gift to the readers of Hindi literature. Professor Kohli, a leading luminary in the world of Hindi literature, is also a short story writer, playwright and satirist. He has 100 books to his credit. Among them are these novels Abhyuday, based on the life of Sri Ramchandra, and Abhigyan, based on Sri Krishna's life. In appreciation of his valuable literary work on and genuine love for Swamiji, the Ramakrishna Mission Institute of Culture has immense pleasure in presenting to Dr. Narendra Kohli the Vivekananda Award 2014. We wish him many, many happy years of fruitful life. Dated the 10th of March 2014 here at Kolkata and signed on behalf of the Institute by the Secretary Swami Suparnanandaji. May I request Srimad Swami Smarananandaji Maharaj, the most revered Vice President of the Ramakrishna Math and Ramakrishna Mission, Belur Math, to present the Vivekananda Award 2014 to Dr. Narendra Kohli. That is the citation. It also carries a small token monetary award of 100,000 rupees. Dr. Narendra Kohli being conferred the Vivekananda Award 2014 by Srimad Swami Smarananandaji Maharaj, Vice President of the Ramakrishna Math and Ramakrishna Mission. Our heartfelt congratulations to Dr. Narendra Kohli. Sir, may I now request you to give us your speech of acceptance, please.
पूज्य स्वामी जी रामकृष्ण मिशन के सन्यासियों तथा विवेकानंद के प्रेमियों, मेरे मन में ये द्वंद्व है दो प्रकार का। एक तो ये कि मैं अंग्रेजी में नहीं बोल रहा क्योंकि मैं अपनी ख़राब अंग्रेजी से की तुलना में अच्छी हिंदी में बोलना पसंद करता हूँ, और दूसरा ये कि ये जो समय मुझे दिया गया है, क्या मैं इसमें ये बोलूं कि मैंने ये क्यों लिखा और कैसे लिखा, या मैं स्वामी जी के विषय में कुछ बात करूं। बहुत 20 मिनट में दोनों काम नहीं होते। वैसे ठीक है, आपने कहा बहुत, तो थोड़ा सा ये होता है कि मुझे इसकी लिखने की प्रेरणा, बहुत लोग पूछते हैं कि आपने ये पात्र क्यों चुना। मेरी राम कथा को देखकर या जो दूसरे मेरे उपन्यास हैं, राम, युधिष्ठिर, कृष्ण, सुदामा, स्वामी विवेकानंद, तो बहुत सारे लोगों का प्रश्न ये होता है कि आपने इन्हीं पात्रों को क्यों चुना। तो पहले तो मैं इधर उधर के बहुत सारे तर्क दिया करता था। अब इस अवस्था में आकर इतना साहस आ गया कि ये कहता हूँ कि मैंने पात्रों को नहीं चुना, पात्रों ने मुझे चुन लिया। स्वामी विवेकानंद पर ये जो उपन्यास तोड़ो पैरा तोड़ो है, इसको लिखना आरंभ किए हुए 15 वर्ष हो चुके, और अभी मेरा विचार है कि 2 या 3 खंड और आएंगे। तो मेरे प्रकाशक का भी कहना था, पाठकों का भी कहना था, इतने समय में पाठक टूट जाएगा, कोई नहीं पढ़ेगा, सब भूल जाएंगे। पर मुझे ये लगता है कि न तो मेरे मन से वो जाता है और न पाठकों को कोई भी इस प्रतीक्षा में कोई कष्ट है। वो चाहते हैं कि अगला खंड आए और वो पढ़े, और चूंकि पाठक पढ़ना चाहते हैं इसलिए आपको पता है प्रकाशक तो व्यवसायी है, वो मांगता है कि जब मैं उसको कहूँ कि मैं इसको 6 खंड में समाप्त कर रहा हूँ, वो कहेगा 12 करो, क्योंकि पूरा सेट बिकेगा और उसका लाभ होगा। खैर मैं उसके लिए नहीं लिख रहा, मैं तो अपने मन के लिए लिख रहा हूँ। और सही बात यह है कि जिस समय स्वामी विवेकानंद के विषय में पढ़ना आरंभ किया, तो वो एक, आप ये समझिए कि जादू, ऐसा जादू जो सिर पर चढ़कर बोलता है, जो आपको मुक्त नहीं करता, और लगातार आपको लगता है कि आप उन पात्रों के साथ, उन पात्रों के निकट हैं, उनके साथ हैं, उनसे चर्चा कर रहे हैं, तो उसमें कोई बहुत कठिनाई भी नहीं होती, सिवाय इसके कि जब वो विदेश गए, और हमको विदेश के विषय में उतना ज्ञान नहीं है। पर मेरी लुई बर्ग की जो पुस्तक है उसमें इतनी सामग्री है कि हम विदेश के विषय में भी अच्छी तरह से जान सकते हैं। अब एक बात जो मेरे मन में आती है, जब मेरा परिचय दिया जा रहा था तो मैं ये सोच रहा था कि स्वामी विवेकानंद के विषय में हर पढ़े लिखे भारतीय को मालूम है कि वो शिकागो गए थे, वहाँ उन्होंने भाषण किया था और उस पर बहुत तालियां बजी थी। वो ये नहीं जानते कि उस भाषण के बाद कितने मित्र बने थे उनके और कितने शत्रु बने थे। उन शत्रुओं से लड़ना, अपने देश से हजारों मील दूर केवल शब्द को लेकर के उन शत्रुओं से लड़ना, और स्वामी या कोई सन्यासी अपने बचाव में कुछ नहीं करता। ऐसे समय में जो कुछ भी उन्होंने वहां किया वो आप सब जानते हैं। मेरे मन में केवल एक बात आती है परिचय को लेकर, कि जिस समय स्वामी जी को वहां कहा गया कि आओ, जो पहला भाषण, बहुत लोग कहते हैं 2.5 मिनट का उन्होंने पहला भाषण दिया, वो उनका परिचय था। अब उस परिचय में एक व्यक्ति खड़ा होकर के ये कहता है, उन्होंने ये नहीं कहा कि मेरा नाम विवेकानंद है, मैं विश्वनाथ का बेटा हूँ या मैं कलकत्ता से आया हूँ, ऐसी कोई बात उन्होंने नहीं कही। क्या कहा उन्होंने? 3 बातें कही। मैं उस ऋषि परंपरा से संबंध रखता हूँ जिसका एक कण मात्र महात्मा बुद्ध थे। बुद्ध जिसका एक कण मात्र थे, मैं उस ऋषि परंपरा से संबंधित हूँ, पहली बात। दूसरी बात उन्होंने कही कि मैं उस देश से आया हूँ जिस देश ने जहां जहां प्राचीन धर्म अत्याचार पूर्वक समाप्त किए जा रहे थे और वो भारत में आश्रय लेने को आए, हमारे देश ने उनको आश्रय दिया, उनका पालन पोषण किया और आज तक हम उनकी रक्षा कर रहे हैं। आप जानते हैं यहूदियों और पारसियों के विषय में ये बात है। तीसरी बात उन्होंने ये कही कि मैं उस देश से आया हूँ जहाँ घर घर में हिंदू बच्चे शिव महिम्न स्तोत्र पढ़ते हैं और ये उसमें कहते हैं कि हे प्रभु, जिस तरह से कि पानी की कोई धारा कैसी भी हो, छोटी बड़ी पतली दुबली टेढ़ी मेढ़ी ऊबड़ खाबड़, जिस रास्ते से भी होके आती है, अंततः वो सागर में समा जाती है। ठीक उसी तरह से